Hi guys, and welcome to another test video on the DJI Pocket 2, and today I'm going to be testing the actual picture quality at a typical environment. And here I am at actually a beach, although look, you can see a mountain behind. The beach is over there. You might be able to hear the waves giving it some. I've also got the wind blowing from an angle, and it's kind of almost blowing me out here. Hopefully the audio is okay. So I'm going to do a video in 1080p at 30 frames, and then we're going to do another video at 2.7 and another one at 4K, and then do a side-by-side comparison to see how well the actual picture quality works for the Pocket 2, more for vlogging purposes, so we can see whether it's worth actually going up to 4K or whether 1080p is perfectly adequate. So at the moment we're doing this at 1080p, so let's now change to 2.7 and do a quick test there. We are at 2.7K resolution, so again at 30 frames a second. So is the quality of the picture any good? I really can't see at the moment because I'm looking at the little tiny screen on the Pocket 2, and if you've got the Pocket 2 you know exactly what I mean by that. It's absolutely microscopic, especially with the sun shining on it with reflections and God knows what. It's very hard to see exactly any difference. So we're going to get back to the actual studio, or back to my studio, I mean literally my laptop, to see what the quality is like later. Okay, so this is at 2.7. Let's now change to 4K. So we are now at 4K, so I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with the three videos, and then we're going to look at it actually picture quality at 1080p, 2.7 and 4K side by side if we can, see how well the quality compares with each other. Okay guys, that is it for this video. A very quick comparison of the video quality on the DJI Pocket 2 at various resolutions to see how it works for things like vlogging and stuff like that, whether it's actually useful. Hopefully the quality is good, but I haven't yet looked at it. Let me know in your comments below. Please subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. Take care and see you soon.